Hi, this video is part of our byNeuron Energy Showcases series, which will demonstrate the key functions of the byNeuron Energy platform. To jumpstart this video, we start with one of the biggest differentiators of the platform, a visual calculation modeler on top of the byNeuron Energy calculation engine. Many companies are using large and complicated Excel spreadsheets for managing and generating billing information. Most of the time, Excel isn't optimized to handle these types of data automatically, especially when using different time series with different time buckets of different data sources. Adding new data often happens manually, and calculations can be quite a challenge to untangle because of how complicated and intertwined they are. This makes it harder and more time-consuming to spot errors within formulas, let alone understand the process behind the calculations. Let's use this Excel spreadsheet as a textbook example. At first glance, you can already tell that this is a large file. It also contains different sheets with information used for generating an invoice and calculating prices based on time series data. The problem here is that these formulas are overcomplicated and actually not user-friendly at all. One missing dollar sign is easily overlooked in this formula and might result in an error or an incorrect invoice. Now let's take a look at byNeuron's calculation model. Contrary to many other platforms, the visual design offers a low-code solution, and also lets you integrate different types of time series data. Functionality for business-oriented users is a key component of the platform. Create your own calculation models by dragging and placing new blocks and link them together. The blocks have different colors to differentiate important information like granularity, type of data, price, volumes, and amounts. Formulas within the calculation model are represented by dark blue blocks, and whenever we click on a formula block, we can access specific details within the formula. The byNeuron calculation engine and modeler solve a couple of issues. First of all, it allows you to combine time series data with different granularities to use in calculations. This is a big advantage compared to traditional time series databases, where you have to design this upfront and still require development. Secondly, the low-code, drag-and-drop design offers functionality to business-oriented developers. Thirdly, you are able to immediately use the time series data available in the platform, so no copying or integrating data from different sources which could lead to errors or difficulties when troubleshooting calculation errors. Lastly, the calculation model provides insight in the used data, but also provides data on how the calculation process works, which allows easy identification of errors, reasoning issues, and all this without untangling time-consuming, complex Excel formulas.